we want to test a battery. Let's use an iPhone X. I have an iPhone X right here. Let's use it as an example. We'll bring out the battery of this iPhone X. Let's say this phone coming now and there is not coming up, and I want to try to see what is the problem, or I want to try to see if the battery is even charged, to know where to start from. You know, as long as you don't have a DC power supply, this is how you try to diagnose phones on this basic level, right? So now I want to test this battery to see if it has any voltage in it. Switch this over to 20. I'll drag it over to 20, just like I explained on the beginning of the video. So we're having now 0.00, right? So this thing is trying to tell you that it will read voltage for us now very well. Now let's try to read voltage of this battery. The red will go to positive side of the battery, and the black will go to the negative side of the battery. So when you're reading a battery voltage, and you're seeing a minus right here on the meter, that minus is trying to tell you that the polarity is wrong. So you just have to switch your polarity, in case maybe you want to know the direction to boost the battery from, if you're boosting battery external manually, right? So now let's read the voltage of this battery. For me now, an iPhone X, I already know where the positive side of the battery is. I already know where the negative side is. But if you don't know, you can use your meter to know. And how do you know? Is you just put any side. You just put any side. You know, you can just do like this. This is red. This is red. This is black. So, and this is the battery terminal. This is the mouth of the battery here. So you can just put any side like this. So you can see it's showing us a minus. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn this thing well. Watch. I don't know where the polarity of this battery now, but I just put red on one side of the battery, one polarity, and I put black here. So it's showing me minus 2.97 volts. That means the polarity is wrong. Red have to be this side, and then black have to be this side. So let's try and test it like this. So let me switch red to be here, and let me switch black to be here. You can see the minus is no longer there. Now this is the right polarity. So this battery now is actually very low. 2.8 volts is below the normal 3.5 volts, which is the base level. 3.5 volts, when you read a battery, although I will explain in another video voltages of battery and how many percent that they are. If a battery is giving you so number of volts, like maybe 3.7 volts, you will know approximately how many percent charged that battery is. That is what you use a multimeter to do. These are the things you use multimeter to do. It just helps you to make your work easier. Do you understand? You can also use this same voltage to test the voltage